Oh, hey there. Didn't see you guys there. Just give me a minute to erase the board here. All right, while I'm erasing the board, why don't you guys open up to 4-6 in your red books. I believe it should say 7-5, but it actually says 4-6, solving radical equations. Oh, sorry, I forgot to take this off. While I was out, I took it upon myself to enter a radical operations contest, and lo and behold, I won. I'm the champion. So let me just put that up here. Let me get that going. All right. Now that you have out the notes there, let's look at the first one, which says the square root of x minus 8 equals 0. So the whole objective here is to get this by itself. So I do that by adding 8. Oh, yes, Farber, you can borrow the calculator from my desk. Not a problem. All right, go ahead and grab that. So I have the square root of x equals 8. So how do I undo the square root? Ben? Yes. Yes. I square both sides. Okay? So that's going to undo the square root here. So I have x equals 64. Any questions? This thing's getting pretty heavy. It's husky. Let me put that down. All right. So let's erase that and let's go on to the next problem. So the next problem here says the square root of 3x plus 6 equals 0. All right, so again, I'm going to try and get this by itself. So I'm going to do that by subtracting 6, and that gives me the square root of 3x equals negative 6. Now I have to be careful here. All right, the reason why I have to be careful is this says the square root of a number is negative. All right, notice there's no signs outside. All right, so it's not saying the negative square root. All right, so this right here, no solution. All right, pretty simple, nice and easy. Okay. And let's look at the third and final one for the day. All right, on this. So we have the cube root of 2x plus 1 minus 2 equals 3. So again, I'm trying to get this by itself, so I'm going to add 2 to both sides. That's going to give me the cube root of 2x plus 1 equals 5. All right, Maddie, how do I do this? Yep, I cube both sides here. All right, because I want to undo the cube root. So I cube both sides. That's going to give me 2x plus 1 equals 125. Trey, where do I go from here, buddy? Yeah, I subtract 1. So I'm going to subtract 1 from both sides. That's going to give me 2x equals 124. Now, since I'm running out of room, let me just erase this up here. So I had 2x equals 124. And then Kurt Gasser, yep, I divide by 2. Nicely done. So it gives me x equals 62. Any questions? All right. Not a problem. You guys have a good day. Stay classy.